Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. As you know, I'm a chicken lover, and I especially love fried chicken, but I don't want it boring. I like some heat with it. So today I made up this smoky Sriracha fried chicken. Just incredible. You're gonna love it. So let me walk you through it. So to kick things off here, what I've got is 4 chicken thighs that I've cut in half. So that'll give you about 8 pieces. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these to a bowl. And I'm using thighs, but you can use just about any cut of chicken you like. Next up, what I've got here is an egg. And I'm just going to kind of beat this up. I like beating up eggs. Add this in. 3 tablespoons of one of my all-time favorites. And this is kind of the star of the show, Sriracha. Just like that word, Sriracha. And you know, you can adjust this depending on how hot you want it, so you can cut back or you can add more. 2 tablespoons of water, just for some liquid. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, just give you that tang. A teaspoon of salt. And of course, my all-time favorite, some pepper. You wouldn't believe the smell of this, guys. We haven't even started and it smells so good. I'm hungry right now. And I'm just going to use my hands and mix this up. Now I'm going to add a cup of all-purpose flour. And once again, a mixing we will go. And you want every little nook and cranny covered. Now our chicken is nicely coated. I'm just going to slip it into some oil, and this is about 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. We're just going to fry this until it's beautifully done and golden brown. And of course, we're going to do this in batches. After about 10 minutes, they are beautifully done. Just look at that. So I'm just going to set these aside on a wire rack, let them drain, and fry up the next batch. But just look at that golden brown. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I've plated this up, and look how golden brown and crispy it is. So I'm just going to garnish this up with some chives, just to give that green effect. It's going to be so good. And there you have it, guys, our incredibly delicious smoky Sriracha fried chicken. You're going to love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Oh my goodness. You're gonna love this, guys. It's got that heat to it. Chicken is so tender, so moist. You gotta make this for sure. I could eat this all day. So for this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool chicken recipes over there. So thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time. I'm gonna eat more chicken.